Alright guys, if you're having a problem with your recirculating air on your Nissan 2006, I think I found the solution. I looked some research. They were saying it was a blower motor. No, I ended up taking the little cap for the filters right here. And what happens, I ended up putting a zip tie right there. If you can see the blue zip tie, what that happens, the door for the circulating air tends to over travel, and that's just stopping it in place. Here's a quick view so you guys can see the doors coming down and stops. See, when I press it, it's gonna open. There's the door opening. Doors close. Simple fix, guys. Just take off your glove compartment and all that. Like I said, take off the little cover there. You don't even have to take off the cover for the air filter. You just gotta put a zip tie between those vents, and that should take care of the problem. If you guys getting a knocking sound behind the glove compartment or somewhere in the dash, this is it, guys. Give it a try. It's worth it. Hi, Julian.
Hi.
Thank you for your help, buddy.
You're welcome.